Electroconvulsive therapy, or ECT, is one of the most effective treatments for severe psychiatric conditions. It's often recommended when medications haven't provided enough relief. Conditions like severe schizophrenia, depression, bipolar disorder, and catatonia can become life-threatening if not treated effectively. ECT can offer hope when other treatments fall short. ECT is like a brain reboot. Mental health issues can mess with how the brain talks to itself. But with ECT, we use a special kind of electrical stimulation to gently reset these pathways. This helps the brain find its balance and work better. Let's talk about electricity, a common fear. ECT might sound scary, but did you know that the total energy delivered in an ECT session is way less than what's in a single AA battery? An ECT session gives about 30 to 100 joules of energy, while our battery holds over 10,000 joules. It's not the amount of energy, but the precision and timing that make ECT effective. So how does an ECT session actually work? First, the patient is placed under general anesthesia, so they're fully asleep, completely unaware of the procedure, and don't experience any discomfort, pain, or any sensation of any kind. A muscle relaxant is given to prevent any physical movement during the procedure. Electrodes are placed carefully on the scalp, and a brief, controlled electrical pulse is delivered to the brain. The stimulation itself typically lasts only 1 to 3 seconds, while the medically induced seizure lasts about 25 to 50 seconds. In essence, the entire procedure is completed in less than 1 minute. The anesthesia itself lasts less than 10 minutes, and the patient wakes up calmly in a recovery room. Within 30 minutes, most patients make a full recovery from the anesthesia, feel stable, and are able to go home the same day. Like any medical procedure, ECT has side effects, but they are generally mild and temporary. The most common one is short-term memory loss, which usually resolves within a few weeks. Some patients might also experience headaches or mild confusion after a session. These effects are closely monitored by the medical team to ensure your safety and comfort. The truth is, ECT saves lives. For many patients, it brings rapid relief from symptoms that once felt unbearable. People who had lost hope often rediscover joy, connection, and purpose after treatment. ECT has been misunderstood for years, but science and experience tell us one thing: it's a safe, effective, and compassionate treatment for severe mental illness. Breaking the stigma starts with understanding the facts. If you or a loved one is struggling, know this: help is available and recovery is possible. ECT is not a last resort, it's a proven, life-changing treatment. Talk to your psychiatrist today and take the first step towards healing.